I scroll past the flawless faces, the sun-drenched perfect scene, every curated moment designed to make my life look mean.
My reflection in the glass is flawed, stained and cold, while their phantom lives are shimmering, worth more than I am told. I watch the digital idol, so serene, so utterly divine, and suddenly my real home feels small, gray, and not entirely mine.
The light, it's a cage, it's a digital mirage. The monetized self-hate, control your point of view. It's the poison of comparison consuming me and you. Chasing a filtered reflection.
It's a counterfeit perfection. We're just a ghost in their collection, a digital infection, hating my own reflection.
The envy is the cause.
The price of self-loathing is everything we lost.
They package up your despair and they sell it back to you. The perfect body, lie, a vision, meticulously true. The algorithms, the razor, and the like is the blade. It cuts the value from your spirit, a brutal digital raid. You think you're seeing happiness, that's just a brand deal on a screen, designed to make your tangible reality feel unclean. The sin is not desiring, the sin is the belief that the pixels hold a joy that can offer any relief. Chasing a filter reflection.
It's a counterfeit perfection. We're just a ghost in their collection, a digital infection,
Hating my own reflection. The envy is the cost.
the price of self-loathing is everything we lost. This poison in my veins, am I the one to blame?
Look away from the screen. What they show isn't real. Your flaws are the part of you I love, the part that can
This digital ghost makes my real home a prison. The truth is in your hands, not